Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort, it's located in Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, just 1 hour and a half from the Tijuana-San Diego border. Montevalle provides an exclusive and calm space for people seeking to detox, boost, and restore their health through the most comprehensive therapeutic protocols. Today, we are going to get to know their vegetable garden.
Well, the vegetable garden is something that we have in order to complement everything else that we do here at Montevalle. We have your holistic therapies, your infusions, and you have we're always working on body, mind, and soul health. So one very important aspect to get that is what you eat. So basically our menu is based on organic, healthy food, and we came up with the organic vegetable garden here to get the most of the items that we need to provide those healthy meals for our hosts, for our clients here. So we have about 27 different varieties, and we practice the rotating crops. So depending on the season, we will have something different. And our chef, Raul, which you already met, he does his dishes based on what we have in season. So sometimes will be a kind of vegetables, a kind will be another one, depending on that. But they're always be taken care of organically. We have the mulch and the soil is organic. We don't use any kind of pesticides or fertilizers or anything. Everything is cropped daily, cleaned daily, and we take a lot of pride on what we're doing here with this vegetable garden.
They definitely take very good care of the vegetable garden. Each vegetable is different and the meats are different as well. They have 27 kinds, tomatoes, a few different kinds of lettuce, cucumbers, beetroot, cilantro, carrots, zucchini, cabbage, different leaves, basil, among many others. They also have a few trees like lemon trees, lime, orange, grapefruits, plum, and peach. All this for the meals, infusions, and mocktails. And next, our chef explains the process a little bit better.
I want you to tell me, please, about the vegetables and what did you get or how do you do it to prepare the meals, please?
Well, most of the times I depend on the season. So they do some seeding, and then we have a gardener that takes care of that. So I come down and I ask him what's ready to be cooked, to be harvested.
Okay.
And sometimes he lets me go in there and cut myself some of the leaves that I really like we have kale, we have zucchini, we have flowers, edible flowers like zucchini flowers, and rosemary, basil. So he tells me what's coming up. Also, like on this month, it's going to be a lot of zucchini. So we got saucer squash coming, we got yellow squash, we got gooseneck squash coming. And
sounds good.
Yeah.
Sounds good to me. And I heard that you're gonna get something for us, right?
Yeah,
and prepare something
we need
for
to
us.
make a good salad today. So salad's always 99% of the times it comes out of the garden.
Excellent.
Salad and my herbs. This is what we prepare for you.
Wow.
From what we just harvest.
Chef Raul.
Okay.
Just what we got from the vegetable garden.
Well, and a few other organic things I have in the kitchen. And we're gonna say we have our kale, and we have our green lettuce right there. We have sauteed beets in the middle, and sauteed kale on top. We have a yogurt dill dressing and baby spinach around.
Wow.
Plus we have a little bar that looks like little stairs right here on the sides. That's avocado and almost toast.
Excellent.
And hummus.
Looks delicious. Let's try it out. Thank you so much.
Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
From the vegetable garden to your plate. And remember, Montevalle Health and Wellness Resort, it's a concept like no other here in Valle de Guadalupe. The amenities, treatments, spa, meals, and ingredients from the vegetable garden, and of course your stay, are included in the package you choose. Montevalle, it's a beautiful place you definitely have to visit and live the experience yourself.